Get a head start in preparing for the Workforce Identity Certified Developer Certification exam with the Okta Development Series 1 learning plan. You'll gain knowledge of the Okta data model, which is essential to using Okta's management SDK to manage entities like users and groups in your custom applications. Discover how to secure your APIs with Okta API Access Management, an implementation of the OAuth 2.0 framework. Explore the redirect and embedded models of deploying authentication and the use cases for both. This learning plan contains extensive hands-on lab practice to test what you are learning. You'll also have opportunities to collect skill badges. So let's get started.